Eagle Flight 3984, Kennedy clearance, stand by. 3944 Eagle Flight, cleared through the Baltimore-Washington Airport. Kennedy 1 departure, flight heading of 185. Radar vectors to Robbinsville, then as filed. Maintain 5,000, expect flight level 200, 10 minutes after departure. Squawk 1040.
You want 185 heading, radar vector, 5,000, 20
Eagle Flight 3944, this is Foxtrot, contact ground when you're ready for taxi.
Shark 6171, Kennedy clearance to the Philadelphia Airport via the Kennedy 1 departure. Flight heading 185, radar vectors Dixie, then as filed, maintain 5,000, expect 8,010 minutes after departure. Squawk 15368 is Foxtrot current. Shark 6171, ground point on taxi, good day. American 100 Heavy, Kennedy clearance cleared to the London Heathrow Airport via the Kennedy 1 departure, fly heading 155, radar vectors Betty, Nantucket, that's Alpha Charlie Kilo, Alex, Alpha Lima Lima Echo X-Ray, then as filed, maintain 5,000, expect flight level 350, 10 minutes after departure, squawk 16428 is Foxtrot current.